I run an IT company, a real estate practice, a bookkeeping service, and an insurance business at the same time. People ask me how. Honestly, a big part of the answer is 5 free AI tools I use every single day. No hype, no AI will change everything speech. Just the 5 that actually save me 10+ hours a week and exactly what I use each one for. Let's go. Number 1, an AI chat assistant. I use Claude. ChatGPT works the same way. Forget asking it trivia. The real use is writing that has to sound like you. Every client email I send starts as a 2-line instruction. It drafts, I fix 1 or 2 words, done. What used to take 15 minutes takes 90 seconds. Second use, plain English explanations. I get contracts across 4 businesses: leases, vendor agreements, carrier paperwork. I paste the confusing part and ask, what does this actually mean and what should I watch out for? It's not a lawyer. I still use one when it matters, but I walk in understanding the document instead of pretending to. Free tier is plenty to start. This one tool is easily 5 hours a week back. Number 2, Perplexity. It's a search engine that answers with sources, links you can check. When I'm comparing hardware for a client or checking a state filing rule, I don't open 15 tabs anymore. One question, one summarized answer, sources listed so I can verify the ones that matter. And that's the rule with any AI research. Check the source before you act on it. It's your researcher, not your final answer. Number 3, the most underrated on this list, Google NotebookLM. You upload your documents, PDFs, manuals, spreadsheets, and it answers questions using only those files. Client hands me a 90-page manual for a system I'm servicing. Uploaded. What's the reset procedure? What voids the warranty? Answered in seconds with the page reference. And this feature is wild. It can turn your documents into a podcast-style audio summary. I listened to a new vendor's paperwork in the truck between jobs. Completely free. Number 4, an AI meeting note taker. Fireflies or Otter both have free tiers. It joins your calls, transcribes, and hands you a summary with action items. I used to end client calls with a notepad full of half sentences. Now I'm actually listening to the client, and the follow-up email, remember Tool 1, practically writes itself from the summary. One honest caveat, recording laws vary, so tell people they're being recorded. The tools announce themselves anyway. Number 5, Canva's AI features. I'm an engineer, not a designer, and every business needs graphics constantly. Social posts, flyers, quote covers. Describe it, pick a result, swap in your colors, done. What I used to outsource or skip entirely now takes 10 minutes. If you run any kind of business, this replaces a real monthly expense. That's the stack. Claude or ChatGPT writes with you. Perplexity researches with sources. NotebookLM masters your documents. Fireflies takes your meeting notes. Canva does your design, all free to start. My honest advice, don't install all 5 today. Pick the one that hits your biggest time sink and use it for a week. That's how each of these earned a spot. I make these videos from what I actually run into operating 4 businesses. Real workflows, no hype. If that's useful, subscribe and tell me in the comments which tool you're trying first or what you want me to test next. See you in the next one.